Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you're curious if a Raztune is a scam or no, the reality that it's a complete scam and it's not going to work. Primarily when you're going to come on site and when someone is going to say you can get instant cash by listening to trending music and taking quick service, you know it's a scam. Like when you're gonna have like the instant cash. Also, another thing is that you don't have any like about us. Something about company, you know, like our journey, why we're doing what we're doing, you know, to actually understand who is behind it. You have nothing like that. So this is the first like really important things that you need to know. Also here, even when you're gonna check like for the company information behind it, you just don't have much information anywhere about it. So that's like also another thing. And that's like another thing. And when you're gonna check here, even the comments here that I found, you put an address starting with the Tron network but receiving an address starting in the BSC network. So yeah, it's like it's complete fake, don't even use it. So I want to make this quick video for you. It's not going to even pay you. It's like, move on, right? Have a great day and goodbye.